The unending wrangles between those governors and the members of the county assemblies in various counties has proven to be a hindrance to the running operations within the counties.
But do we really know the exact roles of the MCAs? Well, according to Section 9 of the County Governments Act, MCAs are responsible for maintaining close contact with the electorate and consulting them on issues before or under discussion in the county assemblies.
Now, they are also supposed to present their views, opinions and proposals of the electorate to the county assembly. They are also expected to attend sessions of the county assembly and its committees to provide a linkage between the county assembly and the electorate on public service delivery and to extend professional knowledge, experience or specialized knowledge to any issue for discussion in the county assemblies.
So that's what you should expect of your MCA.